All right, thank you, John. Yeah, Carol and I are back here again, and you know, chalkboard paint is very popular right now.
Oh,
so
it is.
You have some fun ideas here for us. So what did you do? These look like just a tray and a picture frame.
Yeah, this is actually is an inexpensive, it looks like an antique picture frame. I just painted some plywood and put in there and drew on it. This one's a cookie sheet that I just painted. Use flat black. It says chalkboard black. You can use that and just spray them on there. What I do is about 3 coats. Let it dry between coats, and then let it cure for about 2 days before you want to draw on it.
Yeah, cute. Okay.
So what you do is you spray it, then you want to they say it's season the board, so you season it like this. Then you take your chalk eraser and erase on it, and then it's ready to draw on however you want.
So you have to season it before you can draw on it.
Right, because it does pretty good on this because this is set quite a while.
Yeah.
But you kind of can do it this way, and it gives it a primitive look when you season it.
So again, you spray it, and how long should you let that sit?
After you've done 3 coats, kind of back to back, let it dry for about 2 days.
For 2 days?
Yeah. It has a film on it, so it kind of needs to dry.
So if this was like a weekend project, maybe spray it Friday and do it on Sunday?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this one, it's kind of a primitive thing. Like Taryn said, there's some fabulous ones. But this one here, I have how many days till Christmas, so you can just take it and draw it on there. I think it's 16 days now.
The countdown begins.
So your kids can erase that and keep adding on there.
That's fun.
My little cookie sheet board, if you wanted to, you could take some permanent paints and just decorate the edge and do some other fun things with it. And if you make a mistake, just wash it off, start over again. This one here this is called liquid chalk, so you don't have to season the board. You just spray it, take liquid chalk, and I have a little ampersand in there, and I'll go over that and do that, and I'll finish my heart down here with this. This liquid chalk is really fun, and this also will wash off. You have to scrub a little harder.
That's what I wondered. You could take water.
Yeah, you can you can take water and get it off. And I think if I take my little rag here, so you can see how it comes off. And these are really more artsy.
Right.
And the way I did this, I printed off on my computer the saying.
Yeah.
Then I cut the little pieces of paper, and they have transfer paper. I couldn't find any, but what I did, I just rubbed chalk on the back, laid that on there, and then just took like a stylist and just went over it. So it just was lightly, very lightly left the design on there. So when I drew this ampersand, you could kind of see the design on there.
Oh, neat.
So you can do that, and there's some fabulous, if you're really artsy, you can make fabulous, but I kind of like, it's more primitive because that's what the kids did in the country school. They just messed around on the chalkboard and made little stick pictures and things like that.
I remember that in the country school. So thank you, Carol. Really fun. You can almost transfer and make anything.
Absolutely, yeah. There's stencils. You can go online, use clip art, and like I said, transfer it over. Old wood windows, like old window frames, put plywood in them and make things.
Perfect.
It's just kind of endless, and you can fix it. Like I said, if you make a mistake, you can fix it. That's a good thing about some of these crafts.
Good. All right. Thank you, Carol. Really fun. Back to you, John.